Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create Google Maps campaigns in Google Ads. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. First of all, in order to run a Google Maps campaign, you need to link your Google Maps profile. So as a prerequisite, when you log in your Google Ads, you're going to go to Tools, you're going to go to Data Manager, and once you come here in the Data Manager, you need to check whether your Google Maps profile is linked with your Google Ads. If it's not, in this case, we don't have it linked, we need to click here on Google Business Profile, and we need to link our business profile, basically our Google Maps listing. Once we click the Google Business Profile, there are two options. There's the direct linking method and link through Business Manager. In order to make your life simple, you need to go with the first option, even though this one says recommended here. So you're going to click here, link directly to Google Business Profile. Then you're going to continue. Once you come here, you are going to pretty much see your Google Maps listing. You are going to select your Google Maps listing. Then you're going to click next, link, and that's it. This is step number one of the process. So you need to link your Google Ads with your Google Maps listing. Okay, now we got this done. As you can see here, our Google Business Profile is linked. We are going to go back to campaigns and we are going to run a Google Maps campaign. We're going to click the plus symbol. We're going to say new campaign. And once we come here in this screen, we are not going to select any objective as a recommendation. And keep in mind that Google moved Google Maps under demand gen. So under select a campaign type, you need to select demand gen as the campaign type. Here we're going to continue. And there is only one more thing you should do before you are able to proceed with running a campaign in Google Maps. What you should do is under Ad Group on the left-hand side, you need to go under Channels. You need to select under Channels, let me choose, and then here under Channels, you can remove everything and you can only keep Maps, ads shown on Google Maps. From there, the rest of the settings are pretty much same with any other Google Ads campaign. You can select location targeting, language targeting, and you can create also an ad. You can upload images, your copywriting, and so forth. But this campaign is only going to go in Google Maps. So remember, there are two things to do if you want to run a Google Maps campaign. Number one, you need to connect your Google Ads with your Google Maps listing through Data Manager. We've shown how to do this in the beginning of the video. And then you're going to select a campaign without goals guidance. You're going to select demand gen. Then under Ad Group and under Channels, you are going to say, let me choose. You're only going to select Maps. And from there, you can work in the rest of the settings and you can get your campaign up and running. That's it. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.